Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my YouTube family? Hope every one of you is fine. Always stay happy and blessed. Breakfast at Bloomsbury. It's a humble request to my YouTube family, watch full video, or if you are not able to watch full, kindly watch half video or more than half on regular basis. For supporting each other channel, it benefits everyone. Thanks. It's dinner time. Mom cooked mutton pulao and mutton korma with salad and mint chutney.
The food smells so good. Pass me the mint chutney.
The Prophet Muhammad said, mention Allah's name, that is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. When you begin to eat, eat with your right hand and eat from what is next to you. Without beginning with Bismillah, we deprive ourselves of blessing, goodness, and ease. Therefore, don't forget to say Bismillah, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless us and help us to make the things easy and good for us. If you forgot to say Bismillah before eating, say Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirahu, in the name of Allah, in the beginning and the end. Ice cream time. I will take vanilla.
I'll take mango. There we go, your spoon. Delicious.
My favorite flavor is vanilla and chocolate.
My favorite flavor is mango and strawberry.
Bye. Very nice weather. It's rainy.